सोशल मीडिया पर यूज़ 100 इंग्लिश सेंटेंस जो आपके लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल हो सकते हैं। आई जस्ट पोस्टेड अ न्यू फोटो, प्लीज़ लाइक माई पोस्ट, डोंट forget to comment, share this with your friends, follow me for more updates. I uploaded a new video. This post is going viral. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate your love. Stay connected. Check out my latest reel. Watch till the end. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications. Leave your feedback below. What do you think? Let me know your opinion. This made my day. I am so excited. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. This is my favorite picture. Swipe to see more. Save this post. Tag your best friend. Keep supporting me. I post every day. New content is coming soon. Stay tuned. Don't miss it. I am live now. Join my live session. Ask me anything. Welcome to my page. Nice to see you here. Thanks for following me. I reached 1000 followers. My followers are growing. Your support means a lot. I love creating content. This video is trending. It became popular overnight. I can't believe this. Dreams come true. Never give up. Keep smiling. Stay positive. Believe in yourself. Every day is a new beginning. Success takes time. Work hard every day. Learn something new. Keep improving yourself. Be confident. Stay humble. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your goals. Enjoy the journey. Life is beautiful. Happiness is a choice. Make today amazing. Keep shining. Be kind to everyone. Spread positivity. Thank you for being here. You inspire me. I appreciate your kindness. Your comments motivate me. This means a lot to me. I love this community. Let's grow together. Keep learning. Keep sharing. Let's connect. Welcome everyone. Have a wonderful day. Good morning everyone. Good night friends. Happy weekend. Have a great day. I am feeling grateful. Today was amazing. I learned a lot today. I am ready for new challenges. Never stop dreaming. Small steps lead to big success. Stay strong. Be fearless. Make yourself proud. Every moment matters. Thanks for your time. See you in the next post. More videos are coming. Keep watching. Thanks for your love. Have fun. Stay safe. Bye for now. See you soon. Love you all. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you so much.